Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ujjwal Marjit. So, tired of clunky PDF readers that slow you down while reading research papers? So, what if you could follow references, jump to figures, skim outlines, and side papers all inside the PDF without opening new tabs or switching tools? So, here today I am going to share with you a tool, or you can say it's Chrome extension, that is called the Google Scholar PDF reader. So Google Scholar's smart PDF reader that turns dry PDFs into interactive research companions. You just click a citation to preview it, you click a figure mention to see the image instantly, and want an outline, it is there. So powered by, and yes, it works across all websites once installed in Chrome. So let us walk through how this game changer tool works and why every researcher should be using it. So a Scholar Reader turns any PDF into smart, skimmable and citable experience. So first of all you need to do is you just open the Chrome Web Store for getting the Google Scholar PDF Reader extension. So here you just type the URL Chrome Web Store, or you can Google it also. Okay. Now I am going to type in Google Scholar PDF Reader, and you will be taken to this page. You see the Google Scholar PDF Reader. At present, 1 million users are using this Google Scholar PDF Reader. This is a Chrome extension. You can install it in your machine. So remove from Chrome, you see here, because I have already installed the Google Scholar PDF Reader. Okay. So you can read faster with AI outline. You can preview references and go straight to the PDF and jump to any figures and back and pick a theme that works for you. So in order to get such facilities, you have to have the Google Scholar PDF Reader, and as I have already installed it, so you just first install the Google Scholar PDF Reader. Now I am going to open the Google Scholar. Okay, you just open the Google Scholar using scholar.google.com, and now I am going to type in my topic, the blockchain challenges and opportunities. So blockchain challenges and opportunities is a survey, and this is the PDF version of this paper. And now I am going to open this PDF version and click on here. Once you click on, you will be taken to this page, and as I have already installed the Google Scholar PDF Reader, it will automatically catch the PDF version of the paper, and the paper has already 24 pages paper. You see from entire paper here. Okay, and now you see the bottom, the AI outline, because the AI, this PDF reader has already been outlined about this paper in the left hand side. You see introduction, blockchain architecture, consensus algorithms, applications of blockchains. That is the components of the paper. If you click on possible future directions, you can direct access possible future directions from the PDF paper. So I think you have already used, or you might have heard the AI tool Scholarcy. Scholarcy also does this. So you now click on conclusion parts. So this is the conclusion parts of the paper. And now if you want to the gist of the paper, that is the abstract, introduction, and blockchain architecture, consensus algorithms, applications of blockchain, and challenges and recent advances. So possible future directions. It has already been summarized and in front of you it will display. So now I am going to share few features of the Google Scholar PDF reader. You just click on cite button and it will read the entire paper, and citation means MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, such type of reference style has already been surfaced here in front of you, and you can also import in BibTeX file. Once you click on the BibTeX file, you see here the format of the style that has already been surfaced. Now you can also use for EndNote, RefMan and RefWorks just by clicking on the button side. Now I am going to click on the Google Scholar button. Once you click the Google Scholar button, it will show you how many times the paper have been cited, and in addition to that it will also display the related articles about the paper titled Blockchain Challenges and Opportunities Survey, and all 13 versions. And besides, you can also save it to your library or my library. Okay, so first of all I am going to select this one, side by, and you see you will be taken to the Google Scholar page. You can also create the alert so that when the paper is published you will get the notice. So that is the PDF reader, and you can see the also related articles regarding this one, that is the related articles. So there are lot of tools for getting the related or relevant articles against your title or against your paper. So I am not going to tell you the Google Scholar will give you the entire or reliable or relevant papers against your keywords, but the first 5 or 10 papers definitely that are very much related to the papers that you already typed in. So this is the blockchain and challenges survey. Not only that, you can also click on this here button. You can change it for light mode or dark mode for comfortable reading. Okay, so it is now you can change also for night mode. This is the night mode. For comfortable reading you can change. So it's a nice tool or Chrome extension that can supercharge your research paper reading. So when you install Scholar Reader and PDFs on all sites, will have a new look in Chrome. So to make this happen, Chrome will ask for permissions to read and change data on all sites. So Scholar Reader makes no changes other than the presentations of PDF. Okay, and you see the ratings, not only the 519 ratings here, so Google doesn't verify reviews although, and that is developed by, and it will take 3.49 MB size in your computer, and 41 languages they support. You can see the website. So in order to install the Google Scholar PDF reader, you just open the Chrome Web Store. Okay, Chrome Web Store, right? Then click on here, then open the Chrome Web Store. Now write the Google Scholar here. So this is the very important tool to supercharge your paper reading. So Scholar Reader turns any PDF into a smart, skimmable and citable experience. So supercharge your reading and reclaim your research time one paper at a time. So hit like, subscribe and check the link in the description to install now. Thank you for watching.